Hi guys, so today's learning target is I can write a true story about me. And we are still working on our personal narratives. So remember, it has to be a true story about yourself. So today you're going to be working on the beginning of our story. So our learning targets for that is I can choose a small moment and I can make a beginning for my story. So remember, we're going to choose a really small watermelon seed moment. And then you're going to start off the beginning of your story. You can use one of these beginning words like one day, last night, yesterday, last week, a long time ago. But today I really want to focus on working on the setting of our story. So remember, the setting is where the story takes place. So I drew some pictures on here just to remind us. We can talk about in the woods. We can talk about what time it was or how it felt, like if it was hot or if it was sunny or if it was horrible or whatever the story was like during that time in your story. All right, so I went ahead and wrote the beginning to my story, and it says, a long time ago, I went fishing. So that is a good beginning to the story, but I'm going to add the setting into this because it doesn't tell you where, it doesn't tell you how it feels. It just told you a long time ago. So did I go fishing in a creek or a pond? These are the questions that I would be asking. So let's go ahead and change this and add this setting. So I put a long time ago, I went fishing. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this period. And I'm going to keep writing. I went fishing on a hot, sunny day. So now my reader, which is you guys, know what it felt like outside that day. I could even add another sentence and say where it was. So if you want to go ahead and write where it was, that's fine too. So I can go ahead and write, I went to a big pond. So I wrote big in bold letters so that you really knew that it was a really big pond. So do you see how I changed the beginning of my story so that it added the setting into it? So listen to it now and see if it sounds a lot better. Ready? A long time ago, I went fishing on a hot, sunny day. I went to a big pond. So now you guys know where the story took place. It was at a big pond, and you know how it felt that day. It was hot and it was sunny. All right, so I hope you guys go back to your stories in the beginning and add the setting. Bye, guys.